Now we're going to be installing some Ozdecks. This is one that's been previously installed, and if you refer to your instructions online, you space your posts maximum of 6 feet apart. And when you get your location where you want your deck plate, we've added these holes on the side here. Adding these little spikes helps it stay in location, so as you're setting out your deck plan, it just prevents it from moving out of the way on you while you're laying everything out. You put them in a little ways, it just stops it from moving. Now what the deck plate does is prevent the Ozpost from moving further into the ground with excessive loads. So for projects like decks, sheds, ramps, walkways, or other similar load-bearing applications, you're going to want to use the Ozdeck in conjunction with the Ozpost. Just locate it on top, get started a little bit, drop your spacer in. I like to drive it in a little bit before I put the level on. It just makes it easier. Start and stop very often so you can be assured of plumb. Now this is one major difference between Ozdeck and other floating deck systems, is what we've done here is we're anchoring the plate to the ground so it can't move laterally away from your home. Now the Ozpost has hit the Ozdeck. What we're going to do is we're going to run the jackhammer for about a minute to make sure that the ground is very compact below the plate. This will prevent the deck from settling over time. As you can see, it's compressed into the ground quite a bit. The cavity is filling up with dirt, and we know that we're getting a good solid foundation. Once it's obvious that the deck plate is no longer going any further into the ground, we've now set a very solid deck foundation that will last the life of the deck. Now that we've got it into the ground, we set our wood posts in. This is where you can refer to your set of instructions on how to get your deck level. Simply run string lines at the level you want, mark it, cut the post, drop it back in, and run your beams. It's a very fast, efficient, strong way to build a deck.